1.5 multiply and dividing into I can multiply and divide into.
So the I can, thank you, Anwar. The I can statement is I can multiply and divide integers. At this point, hopefully you can say, yep, I can do that. Right?
Yes.
All right, so what we talked about were products, quotients. Products and quotients. The answer to a multiplication problem is a? The answer to a division problem is a?
Quotient.
And integer is a review word. We know what integers are. You need to know what integers are. Second time we've had that word now. Multiplication. So we said 2 times 3 is just like this, or it's just like this. Multiplication is nothing more than what? Someone tell me what multiplication is. Saraji.
Repeated addition.
Repeated addition. So if we have 2 times 3, we add 2 3 times, or we add 3 2 times. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, and then we did another example with 3 times negative 4. Then we went down to dividing integers. And we said division is breaking a number into equal parts, right?
Yes.
So if I have 10, and I want to break it into 2 equal parts, I can write or draw 10 things. Is that 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I can divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 equal parts. And how many do I have? I have 5 in each of the parts, right?
Mhm.
Okay, and we proved that a couple of different ways, which you guys used here. And then we talked just a little bit about division and the fact that it can be written a whole bunch of different ways. I said a fraction is a? A fraction is a division problem. You guys knew that, right?
Yeah.
And a division problem is a? Fraction. And then really quick, if I have 37 divided by 2, and I wanted you to show your work, which number goes inside the house? 37, or the top number, right?
Yes.
Okie dokie. And then the biggest part of the lesson is the rules and the shortcuts. If you have a positive number and you multiply it by a positive number, you're going to get a product that is what? If you have a positive product and a positive number and a negative number, the product is going to be a negative, and a positive is going to be 2 negatives are? Is it any different for division?
No.
No, samesies, right? If you're dividing 2 positives, you get a positive. If you're dividing 2 negatives, you get a, and then here we have the negatives and positives, in which you get negatives. Don't worry about the phones right now. We know what's going on. And then multi-steps. The biggest issue you guys all had on this problem was that we did not start with the, should you always start with the rewrite?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Number 15, same thing. And then obviously if there's order of operations involved, we are doing 1 step at a time. You're just doing 1 operation at a time. If I was grading this, I would grade it for 5 points. Questions?